Upscale Landcare in Stratham, New Hampshire. We're at a job today, and what we're going to be doing is running a ditch for this Generac generator. We're going to be using a ditch witch or a trench digger. I'm going to run 150 feet beyond the play set into the shed. We're going to build a retaining wall, and the electricians are going to install the generator. Upscale Landcare at the Generac installation. We dug a trench a couple days ago with the trench digger, and the electrician has come back and put in the electrical conduit and ran the gas pipe. As you can see, about 150 feet to the back of the property, and around the shed here you'll see the Generac generator right here. Shed generator, and we also built a pressure treated retaining area here using rebar, 10-inch screws, etc., etc. So we're going to refill this in, top coat it, seed it, re-edge the beds, replace all of the stone for the walkways, the playset area, and some of the cobbles, the granite cobblestones that lined all of the beds. Upscale Landcare, Greenland, New Hampshire. Resetting a brick walkway after finishing up filling in all the trench and overseeding. As you can see, all the stone are back in place, the bricks are in place. Walking out where the trench used to be, heading back, re-edged all the beds, overseeded, raked off. And we'll be mulching, putting some mulch in later on this afternoon, and we put down some cobbles around the new generator, and it's all done.